Hi, in this video I would like to show you how to change language on the ASUS ZenBeam E1 projector. It's very easy. All you need to do is to click menu button on the projector's top cover. When you see the main menu, go right to the setup, click menu button once more and once more, and there you can choose the language. To confirm everything, click menu button and wait a few seconds until the on-screen menu disappears. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give us a like and subscribe to our channel.